What's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, and we're in pre-market. You can see it right down here. It's about, 52 minutes away from market open. And we're obviously not trading. We're not trading right now, and that's okay, folks. Now, I didn't have a video yesterday. Had some things going on. So I didn't even trade yesterday. So no trading yesterday, no video yesterday. But we're going to change that today, folks. We're going to see if there's a trade available to us today, and if there is, we are going to put it on. So here is what we are looking for so far. These are levels that we are looking to take trades off of. So far, we don't know what P is yet. So we're going to figure out what P is as soon as the market opens, and then we're going to put it down. And that will give us a level off of which to play. Okay, so we got pre-market low. Right now, 595.08. We got pre-market high. It seems to be trying to push up just a little bit in pre-market, but right now I got about 596.42. It looks like it pushed up just a smidgen higher than that. No, we're still sitting there, 596.42. Now, what do we have? What do we have up top? We got a 15-minute stair step, and then we have yesterday's high, 599.70. Again, this is a 1-minute chart that we're looking at right here. Now, in addition to that, we have this 30-minute zone right down here, and then yesterday's low. Let's change time frames so we can see it a little bit more clearly. Everything clears up. We're looking at the same thing. It's just a little bit different perspective when we're looking at higher time frames. That's why we like to use those. Now, the market tends to work in about 30-minute increments, or it does work in 30-minute increments or slices. That's why we use 30-minute zones. We use those for demand zones down low and supply zones up top. So this is kind of what we're looking at on the 5-minute. Now, when I switch to the 30-minute, this is what we're looking at right here. So you can see it very, very clearly. And again, it just smooths it out, gives you a little bit different perspective. Switching time frames while you're in the middle of a play, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. A lot of benefits to doing that. Unless you're a scalper. If you're a scalper, make your money, get in, get out, and then, be done with it and wait for your next setup. But again, there's what we're looking at on the 30 minutes. We have this yesterday's high up here. Then we have this 15-minute stair step. I'm going to show you that real quick. So we can use this as kind of an intermediate target if it pushes up. So we'll use this as an intermediate target. If we get a candle that closes above this level, we can then use this level as support, wait for the 9, and then we can push up through that and see if we can get up to yesterday's high. Now, again, on the 30-minute, we've got basically a triple top just below yesterday's high at about 599.46. So again, we're going to watch all of these levels when we trade. But those are the things that I'm looking at today, folks. Now, as far as what we've got going on today in the market, let's kind of see what we have. So today is the January 7th. Let me see. So at 10 o'clock today, we have a couple of things. We have ISM Services PMI and JOLTS job openings. So both of those things at 10 o'clock this morning, that's 30 minutes after market opens. Those are red folder events. Whenever you get an event, we have basically 3 colors. You have a yellow folder event, which generally doesn't move the market. Every now and again it does. If it's like a Fed speaker or something like that, it can, depending on what they say. We have an orange folder event, and those can move the market. And then we have what's called a red folder event. And a red folder event, generally speaking, those have a pretty high likelihood of moving the market. Now, if you're in a trade when a red folder event comes out and it goes in your direction, congratulations, you'll do very, very well. Now, if you are in a trade during a red folder event and it goes against you, that's when you can kind of get hurt. So always, always, always be aware of what's going on. I look at forexfactory.com for that, and it gives me all of that information every single day before the market opens, and you can kind of keep track. But again, back to the chart. Again, pushing up just a little bit in pre-market. What we don't like to see is it happens. We see it all the time. But we get that pre-market that just runs and it runs and it runs and it runs into one of our zones, and then it just kind of tends to peter out just a little bit. But hey, that's just the way it is, folks. That is absolutely the way it is. If you're trading futures, hey, that's great. You can trade futures before. Now, market is open today and market is open tomorrow. The market is closed on Thursday. So on Thursday, they are remembering, I believe, our 39th president, Jimmy Carter. I remember the Jimmy Carter years. I was, I think, about 10 years old. I was 10 years old when he was elected. So 1976. I remember it very, very well. Not that it really matters or anything, but they're honoring him on the 9th. So the market will be closed on the 9th. I will be off at least for a while on Friday. My wife has surgery on Friday, so I will be off getting that taken care of. But anyway, folks, these are things that we're looking at today. I will do just like I've done the last few days, folks. I will record myself before I get into that trade. I will record myself while I'm in the trade, talk through the trade, and then when the trade's over, I will get out of the trade and I will talk about that. And I like to get on, press the go button a couple minutes before my setup. I know when my setup is getting ready to happen, so I'll press the record button before those things happen. But anyway, those are the things we're looking at today, folks. You're not going to see this video until after the market. So we're going to do that after the market thing, after the market. So I hope everybody has a great day, and we will see you guys later. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. As you can see, we're still trading, so it's about 3:15 on the Eastern Seaboard. But I want to jump in here real quick. It's been a really, really, really nice day. As you will see, I took a couple of trades on really, really nice trades. There were other trades that played out very, 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 very well. Now, if we get another setup, I'll probably play that at the end of the day. But again, just a couple early, and they were really, really nice trades. I missed a really nice trade off the top earlier this morning, right around 10 o'clock. We had a report that came out at 10 o'clock this morning. I don't like to play through the red folder events, so I was not in on that trade. I did take that next cross to the downside and then another subsequent cross after that. So again, really, really nice plays all day today. Again, you're going to look at this chart and go, wow, there were some really, really great opportunities, and there were all day long, folks. But anyway, you guys know if you like our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day, folks. And remember, it's the live trades every day. We call it out, then we do the trade, and then we talk through the trade, and then we close it, and we tell everybody what we're doing as we are doing it, before, during, and after. So again, folks, if you like the videos, just go ahead and leave a comment, turn on your notifications, and share with your friends, neighbors, family, and your trading community, folks. Trading community. Also, if you are interested in live daily trading, we go over every single one of these trades. This trade is ongoing right now, folks. This trade that we are seeing right now, this is an ongoing trade. So if you're interested in live daily trading, folks, head on over to our live trading Discord. It's called Trading Decoded. The link for that is down below. So go check that out. We are so convinced that you're going to find a tremendous amount of value in what we do that we're going to give you that first week for free. So yeah, there it is. And again, we're going to call it out. I'm going to call out every single one of those trades that I'm taking, and even the trades that I'm not taking. I talk through those trades as well. So again, come check it out, folks. That first week is free. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. The entire strategy is there for the entire world to see, folks. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on some super secret strategy that's neither super nor secret. Again, folks, 920trading.com. While you are there, go ahead and sign up for the free weekly newsletter. It comes out every Saturday at 11 o'clock. And it does have a video attached to that. It's embedded, so it'll take you right to YouTube. That'll talk about what I'm talking about during the weekly newsletter. But again, folks, 920trading.com, 920trading.com. But anyway, hey, folks, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us today. We greatly appreciate it. We realize you got another 30 minutes of this video or so to walk through a couple of different trades. We had a couple of false starts in there. Watch those false starts, because you're going to hear my thinking behind what I'm doing when I get one of those false starts. We don't just want the wins, folks. We want the wins. We want the losses. Didn't take any losses today. We want wins. We want the losses. And we want to be able to see when a trade, we're looking for a setup, but it just doesn't happen, folks. Anyway, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us. We're going to go do it again tomorrow, folks. So have a great rest of the day. And like always, folks, we will see you in the markets. All right, folks, so we're getting that recording going right now, but here's what I'm looking at, and I hope I didn't miss this play. Hope I didn't miss it. I was too busy setting my record up again. Watch this pre-market high. Watch this pre-market high. Depending on where we get this close, and dadgummit, I might have just missed it, and that's okay. Depending on where we get this close right in here, watch VWAP. Watch VWAP, folks. Watch VWAP. Volatility is good this morning, folks. Like that volatility a lot. I'm setting up for puts right in here, folks. Setting up for puts, and again, probably should have taken it off that last candle, but I was setting up my recording at this time. All right, folks, again, watch VWAP, watch VWAP, watch VWAP. If we get a close, we got about 5 or 6 seconds to make a decision, folks. 5 or 6 seconds to make a decision. So we're going to make a decision to take this thing back to the downside. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, again, trying to get that push, push, push. See if we can make this thing just absolutely scream down here, folks. And again, we're below, so we have this little nodule right in here. I'm going to check the 5 minutes, see what the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, again, as long as we stay below that, stay below the VWAP, folks. That's where our safety is. So the safety is below the VWAP. Safety is below VWAP. Let's see if we can get past this node at 79, folks. Be past this node at 79. Don't know if it necessarily likes it down here, but it's got 96, 77. Yeah, see if we can push down just a little bit more. And again, stay below. We jumped this thing with a close below or right at VWAP, folks. Jumped it with a close right at VWAP and see if we can get a push down below this 77. A push down below 77, folks. Again, we got a skinny stick. Watch for the skinny stick right at that level. See if we can push it down. As long as we're below VWAP, guys, as long as we're below VWAP, that's where our safety is. So close below 72, close below 72. Stay below the 20. We want to stay below the 20 at this point, folks. 5 minutes. Again, stay below, stay below, stay below. Looking for that thin volume below that 72, folks. Thin volume below 72. And again, still in this thing, waiting, seeing if we can get a close. Again, maybe down to about 50, 596.50. That's what I'm looking for down here, folks. 596.50 or 596.63. 596.63. It's right in here. But again, a close down below 72, folks. Close below 72 and make this thing just scream down here. We got these stair steps on the 1 minute that we're looking at. 5 minute. Again, you got the 5 minute at 62. So looking for 62 down here, folks. Looking for a big candle below 72. A big candle below 72. All right, again, then I'll be looking at about 39. Come on, print. Print, 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 print. Again, come on, baby. Light my fire down here. Again, a close below 72. That's what we're looking for right in here, folks. Close below. Having a hard time getting a close below. I don't know. I don't know about that last candle, folks. We're going to give this thing just a little bit of grace. Probably not a whole lot because I don't like the look of that last candle. We got sellers, we got buyers, but again, need to get a close below 72, close below 72. And if we can get a close below that 72, folks, then we can, again, I don't know. Overall, 30 minutes, maybe, possibly, perhaps. Again, I don't know about this level right here. 72, 596, 72, 596, 72. Stay below VWAP. That's where our safety is right now. Safety is below VWAP. If we start getting above VWAP again, folks, it's entirely possible that we run back up. But again, we're just watching lines on the screen. First trade out of the gate this morning. Wish I'd have been in a minute earlier, but I didn't have everything set up to record. I told everybody I would. This looks like it's going to start going the other way, folks. So again, watch 02, 597.02, 597.02. Watch your 20, watch your 20. You got safety in 20 and you got safety at 02 up here. Get that close down below, folks. That's what we're looking at right now. Woo, nice little shaker outer, Still looking for 72 down here, folks. If we get a close below 72. And again, we're coming out of that 15-minute stair step and trying to get a push down below 72, folks. Below 72. There we go. All right. And again, folks, if you are in this trade right now, trying to get a couple of nice candles below here. And you can see this from pre-market. So it closed below. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, just push down. Get a close below 72, folks. All right, skinny stick us down. Skinny stick us down. Keep on getting stopped at that same spot. Stopped at that same spot. All right, folks, here we go. Still looking good. Still looking good. We got the 63. We got 63. That's the 5 minute 20, folks. At 63, looking at my other. There we go. All right. All right, here we go. All right, looking for 38 down here, folks. Looking for 596.38, 596.38. Just get us a push, folks. That's all we need is one little push. Yep, there we go. All right, get out of the way so we can go. And again, folks, I'm looking at my other screen here, and this one's a printer. This is just printing just like a. It's printing good, folks. All right, come on, baby. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. That's what we're looking at, folks. That's what we're looking at. Stay below. Stay below, stay below. We are printing like a mother right now, folks. We are absolutely printing like a mother. All right, keep on going, keep on going. Next level down, I'm looking for, let's see if we can take this down to about 595.79. 595.79 at that level, folks, 595.79. And again, we want to stay below 59 down here. Careful, careful, careful. Watch out for the stick up to about 59. Careful, careful here, folks. We don't want to let it chew up everything. Don't let it take us back all the way to the 9, folks. Don't let us take it back all the way to the 9. Yeah. Look at one thing right here, folks. Oh, man, we landed right on P, folks. That was P right in here. There, I just put P right there, folks. That was P right there. Ah, nuts. All right. Did I get it? Did I get it? And you got P right there. I just put that line right there, folks. My goof, my goof, my goof. All right, we're going to get see if we can get one more stick to push through that level. That's P at 596.22, folks. 596. That could have been a really, really nice a target. But at this point, we really need to push down just a smidge more. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Inputs. Still safe. We need to get that 9 to push down just a little bit more. Again, get that 9 to push down. And again, watch your 9, watch your 9, watch your 9 right in here. All right, still pushing just a little bit. Still safe. We need that 9 to push down. We want to use that 9 as our resistance on the way down. We're looking at pre-market low at this. I don't know. We got P. We got to get past P. Again, don't let it chew up everything, folks. Don't let it chew up everything. If we get a close above 58, we're going the other direction. So again, watch this level right in here, 596.58, 596.58. Looking at the 5-minute, big old double bottom right where the P was. And again, folks, that's my goof. Again, get ready to get out of this thing. If we breach this 9 back to the upside, use that 9 as resistance. There we go. Still safe, still safe, still safe, folks. Still safe. Again, I'm watching very closely if we can't, in the next 2 minutes, if we can't get below that P, folks. If we can't get below P, could potentially run into some issues, at least in this play. But again, we're going to use that 9 right in here. Use the 9, folks. Use the 9. And again, if we get a breach back to the upside above that, I will absolutely take this thing off the table. But again, stay below that 9. The 9's our resistance, at least for right now. 5 minute. Looking at that 5 minute again. Yeah, nasty, nasty, nasty. And again, get ready to take this thing off the table if we breach. Decision time, folks. Decision. Okay. Nuts. Okay. All right. There we go. Had to do it, folks. Had to do it. We can always get back in. All right. All right. So that is our first trade right out of the gate this morning, folks. We are going to see if we can recapture with what we're looking for down here is 596.22 again, folks. 596.22. And again, that's my goof about not having P on there. 596.22. That would have been our target. Really, really nice target sitting right down there, folks. Sitting right on P. And it did stop on P, folks. It did. But again, folks, first trade right out of the gate this morning. Not too bad. Missed it a little bit. Green missed the P, but that's okay, folks. We're going to do it again, folks. We're going to wait for that next setup. Here we go. All right, so folks, we're going to look at that thing again. Look at that thing again. I just turned my recording on. We had that JOLTS job openings report that came in right in here, folks. And look what it did. It just back to the downside. The numbers were good. Stand by, folks. Stand by. Never mind. Never mind. All right, still pushing down, folks. And again, we got to that. There's a little shelf. There's a little shelf right down 594.77, 594.77. So we got JOLTS job openings, more jobs than expected. ISM services PMI better than expected, and we did this. We just ran down, that's the way the market works, folks. The market does what the market wants to do. And again, look at yesterday's low, and we got a couple of other levels that we're looking for down here. We got some thin volume down here, folks, or thinner. It's kind of a conglomeration of big volume, but again, watch this level down here. Now, if you're looking, it's so late into the play, folks. It's so late. But at the same time, if you're looking for puts, let's see if we can get below yesterday's low. Again, get below yesterday's low. We got that tail right down to the bottom of that thing. Right at yesterday's. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go. Nice. Way to go. And again, folks, we got a fat POC right now, folks. We have a fat POC right in here. So if you're looking for puts, it's got to be below that POC, folks. You got to be below that POC, and watch out for yesterday's low. Yesterday's low, always kind of a danger. Will Robinson at that level. And again, 5 minutes. Look at that. Just a whoop back to the downside. And again, 30-minute looks like that. So back to that 1 o'clock fire or heart attack candles. You got to watch this 594.14 in here, folks. A lot of volume that poured in over the last several minutes. 286, yeah, lots. Checking the volume on the 5 minutes. 1.26, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. All right, again, folks, stay below the POC. That's where the puts are safe, below the POC. Right in here at the yellow line. Right there, folks. It's moving down again, folks. Moving down just like them old Jeffersons. Okay. And again, folks, we really need to get below yesterday's low to keep on pushing. And another news, water is wet. But again, you got all this room down here. 4 hour looks like that. I don't know. Okay, and again, we're going to watch that POC. Watch the POC. Watch your 9. See what this 9 does right down in here, folks. Yesterday's low. Okay, getting through it. If you're looking for puts, we got to stay below that POC, and we really need to close below yesterday's low. So if we get a close below yesterday's low, folks, that then becomes resistance. So that becomes resistance, a close below yesterday's low, folks. We keep getting that. We got that tail. But a close. We're looking for a close down here, folks. Looking for a close. I am not in this. No. Only because we had that red folder event that came out. And as soon as that happened, again, a close below, that becomes, okay. So that becomes your next entrance right there, folks, is that close below. And she's cruising down now. She is absolutely cruising down. As soon as we get below yesterday's low, folks, she's just going. Next stop, Pottersville. Let me see what she looks like. We don't have any historical context on the 5 minute because that's just the last 2 days. We do have 592.98. Got a little shelf on the 30 minute. Got just a little bitty shelf on that 30 minute. Yes, we got that POC changed. The POC just changed right in here, folks. So we got a bunch of structure to break. We got some structure to break, but again, we got that POC change, folks. Watch, you got it. We're above everything again, folks. 920 and POC, 920 and POC. Again, as soon as we had that, Let's see what we got here. You got 0, 0. You got a 50, 50, 60 cent candle here. We're getting structure break all over the all over the place, folks. Again, watch yesterday's low. Watch yesterday's low. See if we can get above that. If we get above that, folks, if we get above that level, again, you got that seller's wick on top. Seller's wick on top. Oh, there's your big structure break. Big structure break. Decision time, folks. Still a counter trend trade based on the day. Still a counter trend trade, but again, we got that POC that changed, and a pretty big candle here. We got basically 591 or 593 up through. Yeah, it's only a 55, 60 cent candle, which is a good size candle, folks. It is a good size candle. Again, big counter trend. Let's see if we can get that 9 to push up just a little bit more. And then recapture, see if we can recapture that POC back to the downside. Come on, 9, push it up just a smidge. Just a smidgen. Yeah, now she's looking to push. What we going to do here, folks? Yeah, so we needed that POC to move about 5 minutes before it did because this thing looks like it wants to take off now. Yep. That's okay. Still a counter trend trade. Make them a lot quicker than normal, folks. I was looking for calls, but I didn't like the setup of the POC. So I'm recording right now because, yeah, I was looking for calls. Now, at this point, 594 is going to be a thing, folks. 594 is going to be a thing. Yeah, look at the 5 minute right here, folks. Look at that. Just a big and. And you get the 5 minute POCs up here to 594.65, 594.65. And again, we're going to watch 594, watch 5. That's kind of our last structure break until we get a couple of big candles. If we get a close over 594, folks, we got big candles all the way up to about, I'm calling it 594.76 with a close up above. And again, this is still a demand zone right up there, 594.32. So 594.32, it is indeed a demand zone. Right in here, folks. Yeah, there we go. She's going. Beautiful moves, folks. Very, very beautiful. All right, here we go. Close over 594. And again, you got this demand zone right at 32, folks. You got the demand zone right here at 32. If we get a close over 32, folks, we got these levels here. We got these levels right in here, folks. So again, if you're looking for a close, here comes your close. Decision right at 32, folks. Decision at 32. Yay or nay? That is the question right there. Yay or nay, folks. All right, there she goes. And again, we're going to watch 76 up here, folks. So 594.76, 594.76. 2 minute. Yeah, so you got that POC, you got that 2-day POC sitting right at 64, 594.64, 594.64. pretty much. I mean, we stopped not quite up there. But again, looking for 76 up here, folks. Looking for 76. All right, folks. So here's what I'm looking at right now. You got a POC change again. POC change again. So what's down here? And again, POC change, POC change. So I'm looking for a close below POC, close below POC. And again, that's support right now, folks. The POC is support. So I'm looking for a close below for puts. Looking for a close below for puts. I don't know. Again, we got this demand zone sitting right here, 594.32, 594.32. All right, decision right below, folks. Decision right below. And you got a big old candle, 70-cent candle, 70-cent candle. Decision will have to be made here real quick, folks. Decision to be made. Again, I'm getting ready to get into puts, Again, watch yesterday's low right in here, folks. Watch yesterday's low. Push up just a little bit, Again, all right, let's go into puts. Again, see if we can push down. There we go. All right, push. Trying to get a push through this level right here through, again, yesterday's low right in here, folks. Yesterday's low, and we're going to stop if we get a breach above that 9, folks. Trying to get a push. Again, we got a little push on that thing down to about 42. See if we can get a push down. Again, 5 minute looks like that. 5 minute looks like that. Again, push it down, way down, baby. Get through this 20, and make this thing print some mo. There we go. Again, that's the last thing that we're looking for is to get through this 20. Then we're looking for S1 again, folks. There we go. So we're going to get a PYGB action in here. PYGB. Come on, baby. Again, close below that 20. Close below the 20. That's what we're looking for, folks. There we go. That's how we do it in the 920 room. Come on, baby. Come on. All right. And now, if we get a close, here we go, below S1. Close below S1. Close below S1, folks. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to hang on, Sloopy. Close below 74, 592.74, 592.74, folks. 592.74. And then we're looking for big candles below 74, folks. Big candles below 74. Come on. All right, if we fail, folks, we're going to watch 593.20, 593.20, 593.20. Stay below the 20. There we go. S2. There it is. S1 right there, folks. There it is. Oh, here we go, folks. There we go. Close below, and that becomes our resistance. Close below, and it becomes our resistance right there, folks. Decision, folks. Decision. All right, we're still below. All right, here we go. Oh, my goodness. We got a printer on our hands, folks. We are going. Again, get ready to hit the button if we do not close. Get ready to hit the button if we don't close below this 04, folks. 592.04, 592.04, 592.04. Big play right in here, folks. Close below. Still safe. Nice move. Again, close below, folks. Close below. Now, we got that big old buyer's tail on the bottom of that thing, folks. Buyer's tail down there. So we know we have business down there. Close below S1, and we are still safe in the play, folks. Close below S1, and we are still safe in the play. If we get a close above S1, consider, if you're in this play, consider taking it off the table, folks. If we get a close above S1. But for right now, we are at least moderately safe. And again, our safety is below S1. So safety is below S1. And again, close above, close above. Careful. That's where our safety is right now, folks. Safety is right at S1. Safety is at S1. Close below. Ooh, getting ready to take it off the table. Getting ready to take it off the table, folks. Depending on what we do here in the next few seconds. Again, S1 is our safety inputs. S1's our safety inputs for right now, folks. Safety inputs. And again, if we breach that back to the upside, you got to consider taking it off the table. You don't want to push all the way up to that 20, folks. It's this is hard enough to do. We just don't want to chew everything up that we have worked so hard for by staring at lines on a screen. That's one. Stay below, stay below, stay below. And again, if you are in this play right now, folks, that's our safety. That's our safety. All right, looking at that 5 minute. I'm looking at 5 minute on my other screen, folks. 5 minute on my other screen. Let's check it out right there. There you go. All right. 30 minute. Yeah, come on. All right. Breach of S1, folks. Breach of S1. Stay below S1. Stay below S1. Careful. 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 And again, folks, we're not trying to maximize. We're just letting the chart tell us where to get in, and the chart. If we let the chart tell us where to get in, we got to let the chart tell us where to get out as well. All right, folks, here we go. Here we go. Watch that 9. Watch that 9. We need that 9 to push down just a little bit more, just a smidgen, just a smidge, just a smidge, just a skosh. And again, S1. Come on, baby. Here we go. Look at this 36, 592, 36, 592, 36. I'm going to take this thing if we breach. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Take a taka, take a taka. Oi, oi, oi. All right, stay below S1, stay below S1. Could go, could go, could go. You got 5 seconds to make a decision here, folks. Still below S1, still below S1. Kind of stair stepping on the 1 minute. Ooh, look at that right there. Ooh. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, folks. All right, all right, all right. On a Saturday night. How did I come up with 592.74? Hold on just 1 second. 1 second, please. All right.